Hey, how do you clean up your website? How do you make sure your website is always up to date and doesn't have wrong information? Here's the trick that I always use and I find very effective. You basically go on Google, you type what I type here, so site colon, and then whatever site you're having, so your website, in our case morningscore.io. That's kind of the method. And so as I go down, let's see if I can find something that's wrong. Oh, there we go already. So here, this is a dummy page title. So this is actually a page title that we didn't, this is supposed to be more descriptive. So this is actually an old page and we should fix this page title. It's very easy to do. It will take like 10 seconds. So I note this down. I'll just note this page down that I need to fix this. Keep it going down. Oh, one more thing. Job openings and careers. We actually closed our career site. We're using an external site now. So this whole page here shouldn't have been there. We should have, closed it and, removed the page. So that's a big mistake. We forgot. And this is why this is so effective. Basically, we can go through this and check that everything is still up to date and that we're not having wrong pages. The rest looks good. Obviously, I haven't gone through 200 pages yet, but this is what I recommend you do every year. And you'll find, I guarantee you'll find something weird, unless you're very well run on your web, like you really, really do your website well and you always, take care of all the details. Then bravo to you. But to most websites I do this trick on, I always find problems. And this is just an amazing way to quickly fix those problems and remove the pages or change the pages that are, outdated. Yeah, so you can do that right away. See ya.